Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a news website easy guide. Start by defining your audience and core topics, then sketch a clear sitemap with categories and essential pages. Pick a fast hosting plan and a domain that matches your brand. Prioritize mobile-friendly layouts and a clean homepage that highlights top stories. Plan content types like articles, opinion pieces, and media to keep readers returning. In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a news website easy guide. Install WordPress via your host or manually, then activate a responsive news theme with clear sections and readable typography. Add plugins for SEO, caching, backups, and security to improve performance and safety. Configure permalinks for clean URLs and set up site identity with logo and tagline. Create a homepage template that highlights breaking stories and featured categories. In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a news website easy guide. Quick recommendation. I love these leak-proof containers for meal prep because they stack neatly, seal tight, and save you time between articles. They make lunch portable when you are busy publishing, and cleanup is effortless. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress to create a news website easy guide. Develop editorial guidelines so every article matches your voice and accuracy standards, and create user roles for authors and editors. Use categories and tags to structure content and build topic archives that readers can browse. Schedule regular posting with drafts and editorial review, and enable comments or moderation to encourage engagement while preventing spam and abuse.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.